friends! Ready to have some fun practicing with words and syllables? In today's video, we're going to practice reading and breaking up words that contain R-controlled syllables. We'll follow the pattern of say it, we'll read and say the word out loud, clap it, we'll clap the word into syllables, and show it. We'll count the number of syllables and show the number with our fingers. You'll earn 10 stars each time you get a word correct. Today's goal is to get 100 stars. I know you can do it! So what exactly is an R-controlled syllable? An R-controlled syllable is a word that has a syllable or manageable part that contains a vowel followed by the letter R. The letter R changes the vowel sound, and the vowel and R together make an entirely new sound. For example, in the word star, the A and R together make the sound R. Speaking of star, are you ready to be a superstar and practice some words with R-controlled syllables? Me too. All right, friends, here comes your first word. Say it, burger. Clap it, burger. And show it. Burger. How many, friends? 2. Great work. That's worth 10 stars. Way to start strong. Here comes your next word. Say it, bird. Clap it, bird. And show it. Bird. How many, friends? 1. Great work. That's 10 more stars. Get ready. Here comes your next word. Say it, market. Clap it, market. And show it, market. How many, friends? 2. Nice job. Ready? Say it, farmer. Clap it, farmer. And show it, farmer. How many, scholars? 2. Awesome job! You've earned 40 stars already. Let's keep playing and get some more. Here comes your next word. Say it, star. Clap it, star. And show it, star. How many, friends? 1. Great work! That's 10 more stars. Get ready. Here comes your next word. Say it, perfect. Clap it, perfect. And show it, perfect. How many, friends? 2. Super job. Stay ready. Here comes your next word. Say it, short. Clap it, short. And show it, short. How many, friends? 1. Great work. That's 10 more stars. Keep watching. Here comes your next word. Say it, car. Clap it, car. And show it, car. How many, friends? 1. Nice job. You have just 2 words left. Let's get after it. Ready? Say it, return. Clap it, return. And show it, return. How many, friends? 2. Great work. Here comes your last word. Say it, party. Clap it, party. And show it, party. How many, friends? 2. Speaking of party, we need to celebrate. You've just earned 100 stars. Great work! Congratulations, scholars. Way to practice reading words with R-controlled syllables. You're ready for your next lesson.